The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro is the new top of the line smart video doorbell from the folks at Amazon. But is it worth it? Here are the 3 biggest reasons you might want to buy it. Number 1, the pro level Ring products all provide one special feature that doesn't exist on anything else. They provide what's called the bird's eye view. This is a little overhead look at your property, and the little bubbles show where people are walking. This gives you a lot of information about their intentions and what they are doing. When that is combined with what is called the pre-roll feature, then you're getting all of the information you need to understand why someone is coming up to your home or what they're doing on your property. Number 2, with the pre-roll feature, the bird's eye view, and just general strong recognition features for people, packages, and motion, this doorbell has caught every incident I would have expected it to. Every time someone's on my property, it's working. That's because the bird's eye view nearly perfects those detection features. This works even better when you have a couple of Ring Pro level cameras to go with this. Number 3, this has the same look and all of the same features as other Ring products, and especially the video doorbells. That means the resolution is very much the same, although this one does have that square footage look, which helps with seeing your packages. That doesn't make it a huge upgrade in terms of footage, and so many people might not feel a need to upgrade. I think if you're looking to get only the notifications that you want from your doorbell, then this is a requirement for anyone who has an existing Ring product in their home. And it is nearly perfect at its detection and its recordings. That makes it worth it to me in a lot of cases because I'm going to save time and I won't be looking at my phone when I don't need to be.